Okay, so this is called a breadboard, and this is the Arduino UNO. So in the breadboard, well, we attached LEDs, and every LED has a positive side, which is the bigger side, and a negative side, which is smaller. So as you can see over here, there is a red line with a plus sign, which means positive, and there's a blue line with a negative sign, which means negative. So you will put the positive. You will put the positive one in the positive line, and the negative one in the negative. And then before this, we connected it with batteries. This one. So if you just take it out from here, it stops working, so then you can use these batteries. So this one is negative, and this one is positive. Yeah. So now it's on the battery, and we also connected the Arduino to it, and we connected the Arduino into here. So yeah.
Welcome.